UTV International's hybrid electric, articulated and amphibious tracked Voyager D12 represents the pinnacle of all-terrain personnel carriers. Engineered to transport or recover up to 12 people through challenging terrain, water, extreme cold weather, or other difficult environments. The Voyager D12 offers a variety of features to serve its mission. The hybrid electric diesel engine provides higher power output at lower RPMs for more dynamic acceleration and response. Silent mode is made capable when switched to electric drive. This feature is vital for operations requiring stealth or minimal environmental disruption. Voyager D12 is fully amphibious as it swims through water, rivers, flood zones, and more, with its fully sealed chassis. Go further in challenging terrain with Voyager D12's advanced suspension system. Its design allows for an articulated 4-track configuration that ensures constant ground contact, improving both comfort and traction. Capable of climbing 40-degree slopes fully loaded and achieving speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, or 37 miles per hour. The D12 demonstrates exceptional mobility. Its versatile rear car design supports quick configuration changes, accommodating a 12-passenger cab, ambulance, equipment transport, or more. The Voyager D12 is the ultimate all-terrain personnel and logistics carrier, ready to go wherever the mission requires.